Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics.
In this video, we will talk about demand and supply functions from individual to market. Demand and supply functions. Individual to market. Let us assume that there are three individuals: Amar, Akbar, Anthony. These three individuals demand a product. Say for example apples. There are two prices. P1 is equal to 13 and P2 is equal to say 22. The quantity demand for Amar at price is equal to 13, say for example is 7, for Akbar it is 8, and for Anthony it is 9. And at price is equal to 22, say Amar demands 2 apples, Akbar demands 3 apples, and Anthony demands 1 apple. Therefore, you can say that the total quantity demand at price is equal to 13 is 7 plus 8 plus 9, which is 24. And at price 22, the total quantity demand is 6. Say this 24 is QD1 and say this 6 is QD2. Again, there are three other individuals, say Ram, Ragni and Ram. These three individuals supplies apple in the market. At same prices, say P1 is equal to 13 and P2 is equal to 22, Ram supplies 1 unit of apple, Rahim supplies 2 units of apple, and Ram supplies 0 unit of apple. But at price is equal to 22, Ram supplies 4 units of apple, Rahim supplies 3 units of apple, and Ram supplies 5 units. Therefore, the total quantity supply at price is equal to 13 is 3, and at price is equal to 22 is 12. Again, let us assume 3 is US1 and 12 is US2. Therefore, we can have 2 points here for quantity demand in the market. If we assume that there are just 3 individuals in the market who demands apple, the first point is P1. P1 is equal to 2413, and the second point here is QD2. P2 is equal to 6, 22. Similarly, if we assume that there are just 3 suppliers who supplies these quantities at these 2 prices, we can have 2 points. S1 P1 is equal to 3, 13 and Q_S2 P2 is equal to 12, 22. Now if you consider demand curves to be linear, we can find out the functional form using this formula: P minus P1 divided by P1 minus P2 is equal to QD minus QD1 divided by QD1 minus QD2. Just replacing the values here, we find out P minus 13 minus 22 is equal to QD minus 24 and 24 minus 6. From here we can find out P minus 13 divided by minus 9 is equal to QD minus 24 divided by 18. From here we can say, if we have some space here, 2 into P minus 13 is equal to minus 1 into QD minus 24. So this will be twice P minus 26 is equal to minus QD plus 24. So therefore we can write QD is equal to 50 minus twice P. Similarly, if we want to find out the linear supply function, and using the same formula, P minus P1 minus P2 is equal to QS minus QS1 divided by QS1 minus QS2. Replacing the value, P minus 13 minus 22 is equal to QS minus 3 minus 12. P minus 13 divided by minus 9 is equal to QS minus 3 divided by 9. Therefore we can have P minus 13 divided by minus 1 is equal to QS minus 3 divided by 1. Therefore we have P minus 13 is equal to minus QS plus 3, or we can write QS is equal to minus 10 plus P. Therefore we have the market demand function QD is equal to 50 minus twice P, and the market supply function QS is equal to minus 10 plus P. We have some space, we can actually draw them on a diagram. So let us make some space. So the market demand function QD was equal to 50 minus twice P, and the market supply function QS was equal to minus 10 plus P. Now for the demand function, Q is equal to 50 minus twice P. As we have said, demand function here, we don't need to write D here. Q plus twice P is equal to 50. Therefore we can write Q divided by 50 plus P divided by 25 equal. And for the supply function, or the market supply function, minus 10 plus P Q minus P is equal to minus 10. Therefore, we can write Q divided by minus 10 plus P divided by 10 equal to 1. Now we can draw them on a diagram. So this is y-axis, and here we have the x-axis. Here we put quantity, here we have O, and here we have price. For the demand function, this point is 50 and this point is 25, as 50 is the x-axis intercept and 25 is the y-axis intercept. If we join these 2 points, this straight line is demand curve. Similarly, for the supply function, if we want to draw supply curve, and it's the quantity axis. Here we have quantity, this is O and this is price. So this is quantity, so here this is minus 10 and here price is 10. Now if we join these 2 points and extend the line, this straight line is supply curve.
Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.